Hi everyone. So we're going to do a little movie night today. And when you're having a movie night, you want to have a little something sweet besides the salty. So I'm going to show you how you can make a quick dessert because you don't want too much fuss and you want to enjoy that movie night with that significant other. And we're going to use Lotus Icing Sugar along with coconut flour to make this dessert. So I'm going to take coconut flour, and this dessert is going to be done in the microwave. That's to tell you how quick it's going to be. A quarter cup of the coconut flour. I have cocoa powder, icing sugar, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of icing sugar in there. Baking powder. Along with milk and oil. There we go. Mix all of that together. Now I had my mug greased in advance. There we go. See how quick that was? Here we have our mug, and I'm going to put it in my microwave for approximately 1.5 minutes. There we go. While that is in the microwave, I'm going to make a quick caramel sauce for you. And I like using icing sugar to make my caramel sauce. It melts down very fast and you get a nice smooth caramel sauce. So use the Lotus Icing Sugar and you let that start to melt. Just leave it alone and it will start to melt. And you want that nice golden brown, because what we're going to do, we're going to add some heavy cream to it. Now you have to be very careful when you add your heavy cream to it because it's going to sputter up. So you don't want to get burned. So if you see how it bubbles up, and I'm going to add my salt one time because it's a salted caramel we're doing. So that in, see that nice golden color that we're getting. Let's check up. On time. Here we go. That's a cup of cake. See? Just in time. Let's check our caramel. So we're going to turn it off. I'm going to add a piece of butter to my syrup. And we're going to drizzle some of this onto our cake. And because that's hot, our cake is hot, it's going to seep right into it. I don't think I'm going to taste it. I'm going to hold it for my movie night because yes, I am having a movie night tonight and this is what I'm going to enjoy. So I hope you enjoy it for your movie night because it's quick and easy to do.
Home Sweet Home is brought to you by Lotus, the confidence to create.